But the exciting part for the builders in the business is when you look at the matching bonuses with Performance Club. The matching bonuses previously only paid at the senior director level, paid a 100% match at senior director for the first year. So if you were a senior director and you had people on your team qualifying for Performance Club between month 3 and month 11, when they received their $200 check, you received a $200 matching bonus. What we have now done with Performance Club is you still receive a 100% match at senior director. But we've now added an executive director level of a 50% match. And we've added a platinum level of a 50% match. And wait for this one, you now don't just match the first year Performance Club, you now match all the way through the first 2 years of Performance Club. So now that second year, when the bonuses double to $400 for those new associates hitting Performance Club, month 12, month 13, month 14, month 15, guess what? Your matching bonus is now being paid on these $400 bonuses at senior director, and again, a 50% match at executive director and platinum. I did a little bit of math on this. I just want to share this